Traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. With the right preparation and a few smart tricks, you can make airport days smoother, calmer, and even enjoyable. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential tips every parent should know before flying with kids. Let's get started. Choose kid-friendly flight times. The number one mistake parents make? Booking flights at the worst time of day. Early mornings and late nights are usually smoother. Fewer crowds, fewer delays, and less overstimulation for kids. Avoid flights around nap times unless your child sleeps easily anywhere. When traveling with kids, overpacking feels safe, but it actually makes your day harder. Instead, use one carry-on for essentials, one small backpack per child, packing cubes for easy organization. Keep snacks, wipes, and entertainment within quick reach. Bring snacks they already love. Airport food is unpredictable and expensive. Pack familiar snacks, especially ones that don't make a mess. Think fruit gummies, pretzels, crackers, granola bars, small sandwiches. Hungry kids equal cranky kids. Snacks fix everything. Use technology without guilt. Travel days aren't the time for strict screen limits. Download movies, shows, and games ahead of time. Don't rely on airport Wi-Fi. And always bring kid-friendly headphones. You'll thank yourself later. Do early check-in and TSA pre-check if possible. Standing in long security lines with kids is a recipe for chaos. Check in 24 hours before your flight. And if you can, sign up for TSA pre-check or global entry. Shorter lines equal calmer kids. Make security as easy as possible. Before reaching the security belt, prep your kids. Take off jackets, grab items from pockets, know which bag their tablet is in. Confidence keeps things smooth for you and for them. Let kids burn energy before boarding. Kids have energy, lots of it. Before boarding, walk the terminal or visit the play area. The more energy they burn now, the better the flight goes. Board last, not first. Families with kids often get early boarding, but here's the secret current flyer parents use. Board last. It gives your kids more time to move instead of sitting in a cabin for 30 minutes before takeoff. Bring one comfort item. A familiar comfort item goes a long way. A blanket, stuffed animal, or pacifier helps kids feel safe and calm, especially during takeoff and landing. Stay calm even though they aren't. Kids mirror your emotions. If you stay calm, patient, and flexible, they will too. Traveling is new, exciting, and sometimes confusing for little ones. When you create a calm environment, they feel safe, even during long travel days. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little preparation and a lot of patience, you can make airport days smoother, easier, and more enjoyable for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more travel tips, family travel hacks, and stress-free trip planning. See you in the next adventure.